What is up? So today I wanted to do something a little bit different on my channel. I wanted to incorporate me doing my hairstyles on my clients that I do. So this is my girl Whitney. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. It's Authentically Whit. It'll be in the description box below, and we're just gonna get right into it. So now I'm just prepping her hairline, pushing all her like baby hairs and stuff back and molding it, and we're going to do the ball cap method today. So I apologize, y'all. I'm like still new to recording and doing hair, so I'm in the way just a little bit sometimes, but I tried to take all those clips out. So right now I'm just taking my Got2b glue free spray and I'm spraying it on her hairline so we can melt that cap onto her head so we can do the ball cap method. And as usual, we cut out the earpieces, and now I'm just taking my blow dryer and blow drying that all dry before I add the foundation on top. You want to add a foundation that will match like the scalp, so it's basically like that part of the forehead into the scalp. So we're just going to blow dry that. I blow dried that for about like 5 minutes because on a cool setting because it freezes like pretty fast. So yeah, after I did that, I'm going to cut the excess cap off, and then we're going to add the foundation on as well. So that is what we call a bald cap. I am gonna go and cut some of the excess, cap off. But she's also vlogging too while I do this, so she's talking to her camera and stuff like that. But yeah, so now I'm just going in the back and cutting the excess part of the lace, of the cap off in the back, and tucking it underneath her braids. I did braid her hair underneath here, and then so basically after that, I'm going to put the wig on her head and just see exactly where I want the wig to lay. You want it to lay like basically right where the cap starts and where the forehead starts as well, so like right in between there, if that makes sense. But I was just putting adjusting the straps at the back so then it can be as tight as possible. And then after that, I'm going to actually cut the lace into 3 areas. I've noticed that actually helps me lay it down better. And then I'm going to start adding the lace glue. So the lace glue that we're going to be using for the install today is going to be called Isha. I think that's what it's called, but this is like the best lace glue ever. She works out a lot, so this glue is definitely going to help hold through like her sweating and stuff like that, because in order to remove this actual lace glue, you need oil and alcohol, both of those together, in order to remove it, because it is waterproof and like it is not oil proof, you know. So yeah, I'm just adding on. We actually did 1 layer of this because you just really don't need that much, and this is like, it's so sticky, so you want to be careful, because once it's on there, it's on there. So I'm just taking the end of my rat tail comb and just blending that all in, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and we're just going to blow dry that until it's kind of like a see-through kind of color, so you don't see that much white. And then that's when I'm going to go in and I'm going to start laying the lace into sections, because it's easier to lay it into sections versus laying it all at once, which I have learned over the past couple of months. So yeah. So when you're pressing the lace into the glue, you want to make sure that you're taking your comb and combing it down and kind of like applying that pressure to the lace and combing it down so it does melt in there, just to give it that flawless, no lace, no case type of look. She doesn't really care for baby hairs because, you know, she doesn't really know how to lay them down, and I'm not that good at them either, so we did the hairline as natural as possible, so we would have to like avoid that. And on one of the parts, I believe it's coming up, you're gonna see that the lace has like a brown, well, the hair has like a brown tint to it. It's because I did a little bit of over bleaching. But what we're going to do to fix that is we're going to actually, I have black hair dye, and I'm just going to take my edge brush. I have this like old edge brush that I use for when I'm coloring hair. I take that edge brush and we're just going to touch up those roots where it's black at. Where it's brown at. It has like a brassy brown kind of color to it. So we're just going to take the edge brush and just basically comb through that with the hair color just to get the color out. I just want to say that because it's going to be coming up pretty soon. So yeah, now I'm just cutting the lace and I'm cutting the ear tabs as well. It was a little task cutting the ear tabs because the lace on the wig was kind of weird to me. I don't know, it was kind of weird, but we did cut those ear tabs and we got that out of the way. And then after we cut those ear tabs, that's when we're going into the whole color correction part of the install. So I'll let you guys watch that since I already done talked about it, and then I will see you after that clip. So you guys, the clip is actually, well, the whole video is going to actually stop soon. I didn't record me styling it because I had just did something quick because she had to go and she wasn't wearing her hair until the next day. So the next day is the day I actually curled it, but I just wanted to, on this day, we were just molding the hair to how it was supposed to lay because it was like 7 or 8 o'clock at night. So she was about to go to bed and stuff. Anyways, so yeah, as you see, this part is me doing the color correction in the roots or whatever. But the next day is where I actually styled it, and I didn't record it because we were so pressed for time because we were going out that night, and yeah, it was just, yeah, we were all over the place. But I did insert pictures at the beginning, as you saw, and I'm going to insert a few more pictures at the end so you guys will be able to see the actual style. It was a body wave, and I just curled it up a little bit more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing more videos like this, and they'll definitely be better, like as far as like showing you guys how I style the hair. But yeah, thank you for watching. Give this video 2 thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.